What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. On this channel, I'll go over key levels and catalysts that I'm focusing on, along with a watch list of stock tickers that I may trade. In this video, I'll be going over my watch list for the trading week of July 31st, 2023. Let's get to it. Alright, first up, the catalyst. Now, last week was pretty slow for me. The volatility associated with the FOMC wasn't there, and if there were any earnings run-ups, they didn't last. That's unfortunate, but it's like that sometimes. Now, this week, I don't see any major catalysts, and we don't have any scheduled Fed officials speaking, so we could see some movement based on reporting alone. Let's take a look at this week's earnings calendar. So we have more S&P 500 companies reporting this week than we did last week, so the SPY could be on the move. The tickers I'll be watching will be AMD, Amazon, and Airbnb. Now, Apple and Fortinet are also reporting, but they're both near all-time highs, so instead I'll just go ahead and watch and react to their earnings afterwards. Let's get started with the watch list. First up is SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI, and here I have it pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now, the company reports earnings before the market opens on Monday, and right now the stock is sitting around $9.55. So in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to stay above $9.50. If it does, I'm looking for it to test $10.55. And if you look at the chart here, SoFi has not been above $10.55 since February of last year, so this could be a strong resistance level for this stock. Now, on the bearish side, if SoFi cannot hold $9.50, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $9. If it can't hold that, $8.85. If it can't hold that, $8.40. And if it can't hold that, all the way down to around $8. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Advanced Micro Devices, ticker symbol AMD, and here I have it pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now, the company reports earnings after the market closes on Tuesday, and right now the stock is sitting around $113. So in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $113. If it does, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $116.50. If it gets above that, $121.75. If it gets above that, $126.50. Now, on the bearish side, if AMD cannot hold $113, I'm looking for it to drop all the way down to around $108.50. If it can't hold that, all the way down to $100. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now, the company reports earnings after the market closes on Thursday, and right now the stock is sitting around $132.25. Now, you all know that I've been watching this stock for quite a few weeks, and I was looking forward to this stock running all the way up to around $160 by the time of their earnings. Unfortunately, the FTC decides they want to announce a lawsuit against Amazon on the same day that Amazon reported fantastic numbers from Prime Day. So over the last 2 weeks, Amazon's been stalled around $132. So I had to go ahead and reassess this stock, redraw my lines. So right now, in order for me to consider it bullish, Amazon has to stay above $132. And if it does, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $144.50. And if you look at this chart here, you can see $144.50 has been a strong support, which also could be a very strong resistance. But if it can get above that, it could possibly run all the way up to around $172. Now, on the bearish side, if Amazon cannot hold $132, it could possibly drop all the way down to around $100. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Airbnb, ticker symbol ABNB, and here I have it pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now, the company reports earnings after the market closes on Thursday, and right now the stock is sitting around $153.30. So in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $153, and if it does, the first level that I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $173.30. Now, on the bearish side, if the stock cannot hold $153, I'm looking for it to test $130. And if you look left, you can see since its IPO, $130 has been a very strong support for this stock. But if it can't hold $130, it could possibly drop down to around $113. All right, so keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. All right, and the last one we're going to look at today is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, and here I have it pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now, right now the stock is sitting around $266.50, In order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $266. And if it does, the first level that I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $281. Now that's the bottom of a gap that was created a couple of weeks ago. So if it gets above this 281, it could run all the way up and fill this gap at 291. Now, if it gets above 291, it could possibly run all the way up to around $300. Now, on the bearish side, if Tesla cannot hold 266, the first level that I'm looking for it to test is going to be around 254.50. If it can't hold that, 245. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. And that is the end of the video. If you found value, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. I set up a website at blazestocks.com where I post my videos, screenshots of stocks that didn't make the video, along with personal finance articles. So check it out when you get a chance. Also, if you're looking to get started with investing, check out the pinned comment in this video for a link to Webull where you can get up to 12 free stocks for signing up and depositing just 1 penny. Here's wishing you a prosperous week of trading, and until next week, talk to you later.